Everybody, it's Eric Wedding with LeadLeaf. And if you don't have this implemented on your website already, then what are you waiting for? Times are changing with how we interact with our prospects nowadays. People want to be able to log into your website quick and easy, ask a question, find out the details of that question, and then get off the website and then go on to the river day. People are busy, right? So we have to be able to adapt our business to be able to help the other people, the prospects that are looking to get information quickly and then move on to the rest of their day. So we have an AI bot. So other bots that you might have seen out there on websites where you ask it a question and then it pops up an actual button and another selection button, and it looks like you're just going down a rabbit hole and not getting anywhere, right? This conversational AI is absolutely amazing. So it acts like you're talking to a real human being. Oh my God, that's amazing, right? So nowadays we want to have that human interaction. We want to be able to ask a question, talk to a real human being, or make it sound like you're talking to a real human being, and show empathy, someone that cares, that really cares about what you're asking about, right? And be able to get that information to a salesperson to be able to have them call you quickly. All right, so let me show you an example of how we use this on our website, and we train the bot to gather the information and book an appointment for that prospect, okay? So let's go ahead and do this right now. So as you see on our website here that we have, hey there, have a question, text us here. Now you can change this message to whatever you like. You can change the image to whoever else you would like to do. So maybe you have a person that does answer your website inquiries currently that's between the hours of 9 and 5, but outside of those hours, you have no one there to really nurture that. This can handle that for you. So let's get right into it. You can also change this welcome message. So right here, you can change that to whatever else you would like to say. Hi, I need some tumblers in the next couple days is fine. Now keep track on the actual time code on this as well, okay? So you can see how fast the AI bot will respond. And so as you see, it's kind of like no time at all, right? It's probably within the last 10, 15 seconds. So it does make it feel a little realistic, like a human being is actually responding to that. And you can fine tune that and change that to instantaneously, or you can put, hey, the bot responds within 1 minute, okay? We have like on a 10-second delay because we want it to feel like someone is actually typing into that, but without making it too robotic, so to say. All right. So they give us the message as you see here. And I need to know a little bit more details. I need this in hands by, say, January 31st. And it's going to go through and start to ask me different questions as a real human being would ask you as well, okay? So as you see here, we should discuss details to ensure delivery by January 31st. Great. Call me and we'll talk, right? Probably sounding someone like they're anxious. They want to get someone on the phone right away. And you have this response. Now you can train these responses as well, too. You can have someone call you. What's the full name, best number to reach you? So we'll say Robert Frank, and we'll say frank@me.com, and then 412-555-1212. It's already asked me for my phone number and I haven't even put it in yet, right? Because it knows that it needs those three things: name, phone, email, right? And so then therefore I just put that in. Now as you see, this is all happening instantaneously. We're not having to wiggle around. So right here, instead of setting up an appointment, this will actually go right to our salesperson. It'll send them a text message. It'll send them an email, and right away, so someone will get back to them. If someone wanted to, say, schedule an appointment out, say, next week, and this wasn't an urgent matter, it would start asking them different questions as, hey, when is your availability? Ours is 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:45, etc. on these dates. It will go through that specific information. So if you are not implementing this on your website currently, Like I said, as a business owner, you are pulled in many different directions. You need to have something to be able to nurture those prospects so you don't lose this business to your competitors. So, what are you waiting for? 14-day free trial to hop onto our software, give it a test run, and see if it's going to be a right fit for you. Why would it not be? It's so easy to work with. You can copy and paste this into your existing website or use our platform and build a brand new website. Whatever you would like to do, make sure you fill out the form in the links down below. And to learn a little bit more about how this software can help your business grow exponentially. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.